You've probably heard of the interesting interview technique that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, uses to identify if the applicant is telling the truth. For those who haven't, here's how it works. Musk asks the candidate to describe a difficult problem that they have solved in the past. He then follows up with specific questions about how they tackled it, asking them to describe it step by step. The idea is that people who have truly solved the problem will remember and describe the intricate details. But Musk isn't the only one with interesting interviewing techniques. But many hiring managers and CEOs have their own unique ways of finding the best talent. In this video, we will explore some of the most effective interview questions and techniques that leaders from top tech companies use. Stay tuned to find out how these decision makers uncover the skills and potentials of their future employees. The search for common sense at Microsoft. As one of the world's leading tech companies, Microsoft is known for some truly unusual interview techniques. One of the most famous questions that they ask during an interview is, how would you test an elevator? As you might guess, this question isn't directly related to the job the candidate is applying for. Instead, it's designed to see how the candidate reacts to unexpected problems, similar to the challenges they might face when developing new and emerging products for the world's most top software companies. If the candidate starts about the inner working of an elevator or suggests performing in-depth mechanical tests, then it indicates that they are prone to overthinking. Many job seekers at Microsoft might take this approach, thinking that the interviewer is looking for a demonstration of detailed problem-solving skills. However, the interviewer is looking for a simple common sense answer that demonstrates logical thinking. For example, a straightforward response like, I would start by pressing the button to call the elevator. It shows problem-solving skills and the ability to think clearly and logically under pressure. Counting cards with Meta. Another of the world's leading tech giant, Meta, formerly Facebook, is also known to ask strangely unexpected interview questions. One of its most famous questions is, how would you find out the numbers of cars passing through a busy bridge? To solve this problem, a candidate would need to consider dozens of factors such as length of the bridge, speed of the car, number of lanes, time of the day, and how busy the road is, among others. Without knowing all these variables, it's impossible to come up with a precise answer. However, the interviewer isn't looking for a precise answer. Instead, they're assessing the candidate's technical, mathematical, and observational skills. Candidates who immediately start developing complex equations demonstrate ambition, but without the observational skills to recognize that the problem cannot be solved without additional information might be overcomplicating the things. This question helps Meta identify candidates who have a balanced approach, combining ambition with practical observation. Classifying food alongside apple. Is coconut a fruit or not? While some might argue that Apple is a strange name for a company, but asking your candidates whether coconut is a fruit or not is more stranger. However, this is one of the interviewing strategies Apple has used in the past. Like other interview questions that we have discussed, asking whether a coconut is a fruit or not might seem irrelevant at first glance. But upon deeper inspection, it's a genius strategy to reveal important character traits about a candidate. Being asked such a question can easily throw a candidate off, leading them to believe that the chances of landing a job is very slim. However, individuals who can maintain their composure, focus and professionalism when faced with such a curveball have a fighting chance. According to Apple, candidates who embrace the random questions rather than being dismissive display patience and a calm demeanor that is essential for a tech company. Furthermore, the ability to steer the conversation back on track after being thrown off demonstrates a great deal of focus and concentration, which are a major asset for big tech companies like Apple. Getting wacky with Amazon. Amazon, one of the world's most leading e-commerce companies, is known as one of the most influential economic and cultural force ever. Like other tech leaders, they also ask unexpected questions during interviews, such as, on a scale from 1 to 10, how wacky can you be? This question has likely very little to do with the job itself. Instead, it is used to gauge how honest a candidate can be when talking about themselves. Whenever we are asked to assess ourselves on a scale, we are likely to rate ourselves slightly higher, especially if it will paint us in a positive light. In case of being wacky in the workplace, candidates often answer on the lower end of the scale, fearing that being too wacky might be frowned upon. However, for positions requiring a great deal of creativity and playfulness, like an advertising expert or a content writer, answering on the higher scale might be a better option. Round manhole covers from Google. Google is known for asking unusual questions during interviews, such as, why is a manhole cover round? At first, this question might seem odd for a position of a software engineer. However, there's a method to this madness. Google uses this question to assess a candidate's problem-solving skills and creativity when faced with challenges. When faced with this question, a candidate who cannot come up with an answer might not be the most creative problem solver. On the other hand, a candidate who comes up with the answer, even if it's not entirely correct, demonstrates the ability to think on their feet and approach problems creatively. A common and logical answer to this question is that a manhole cover won't fall through its openings, unlike square and rectangular covers that might fall through if inserted diagonally. This practical consideration highlights the importance of problem solving, a crucial skill for tech roles at Google. With questions like these, an interviewer gains deeper insight into a potential employee's characters compared to traditional inquiries regarding work experiences. These unconventional questions challenge a candidate to think on their feet, tapping into their creativity rather than relying on rehearsed answers. The goal of an interview is to assess whether a candidate aligns with the company's culture and values. By venturing beyond conventional approach, interviewers aim to uncover authentic traits and qualities that might not surface in a standard job interview. Rather than generating scripted responses, these unconventional techniques help a candidate to demonstrate their problem-solving skills, creativity, and adaptability, all crucial attributes in a dynamic tech environment.